Angular has a module bundle named HTTP for working with XHR and JSONP calls from the client. To make use of the HTTP module, you need to add it to the list of imports for your Angular module. In the app.module.ts file, we can add a new import statement and bring in the HTTP module from the Angular HTTP scoped package. Then we can add the HTTP module to the imports metadata property array. The HTTP module contains all of the services and object constructs needed to work with XHR and JSONP calls. Let's hop over to the systemjs.config.js file in the project for a minute. For the systemjs loader, which is what the exercise files in this course use, the HTTP bundle is being pulled in as a separate resource. Now this project code is already set up to include the HTTP scoped module, so we don't need to make any changes here. But note that HTTP is included in the array of ng package names here. This handles making sure these packages are included from the local node_modules directory when the code is run. This setup will vary depending on what you decide to use for your module loading and build solution. That is definitely a topic for another course, so I won't go into more detail on that in here. But I do want to point out one more thing. The HTTP module works with observables and RxJS, so the RxJS bundle is being included as well in the packages object literal above. The way Angular works with RxJS, it brings in a stripped down version of observable, only including what it needs. So if your code needs to leverage other operators in RxJS, you need to import them on an individual basis. We will see how to do this in a lesson in this chapter when we work with the HTTP service.